Hi, I am Nilesh Agarwal, Deputy General Manager, Hitachi India Private Limited, Infrastructure Systems Division. Water is at the core of sustainable development, and Hitachi is leveraging its OT and IT expertise to ushering intelligent water systems in the country. As a committed partner, Hitachi is actively contributing to the Government of India's proactive measures towards ensuring water security and good quality of life for its citizens through various ongoing initiatives under the Smart Cities, Digital India and Jal Jeevan Mission, Har Ghar Jal, with a mission to promote safe and clean drinking water to each household. Hitachi India Infrastructure Systems Division collaborated with government agency responsible for supply of potable water to the National Capital Territory region of Delhi, India. Through the first of its kind project, Hitachi India Infrastructure Business has established and proved its capability to execute project as a service with remote support from Hitachi Japan by providing 24/7 operation and maintenance of automation system along with Hitachi's advanced water technology pipe network management system PNMS in Pitampura area, New Delhi. The National Capital Territory of Delhi urgently needed a solution to tackle the high rate of non-revenue water, which was as high as 40 to 50% intermittent water supply for citizens of Delhi. Unavailability of smart water management system to balance demand and supply. Solutions for day-to-day issues, maintaining the pipe network health and reducing the operational cost by centralized monitoring of field instruments. Pitampura Water Project is the first PNMS project in India. Through this project, Hitachi India deployed competent site team on 24/7 basis to handle local and remote operations and thereby maintaining the hydraulic health of the water network using Hitachi's advanced water ICT technology pipe network management system. The government agency responsible for the project was satisfied with Hitachi's operation and maintenance services. This helped the water body to first reduce non-revenue water, second increase its operational work efficiency and energy savings, third and most importantly deliver equitable, clean and affordable drinking water supply. Hitachi is enhancing social, environmental and economic values by paving the way for efficient data-driven water management, sustained economic progress of the country, industrial growth and building a sustainable society for the current and future generations. Through its advanced water ICT solutions, Hitachi's social innovation is powering good by making every drop of water count. Hitachi is strengthening the nation's water security and contributing towards a human-centric society where digital technology enhances people's quality of life.